Hey guys, welcome to a new video. This time it's all the big cubes unboxing. I'm gonna be unboxing the Moyu Alsu. It's like a pyramid kind of form. Okay. Stickerless Aoshi 6x6. Aofu 7x7. Let's get to it. Let's get to the rice dumpling first. Open from the back. Trying to shove it in the ash. Ash. Okay, there you go. Wow, it really is different than I thought it would be. Why am I mixing it up? I don't know. Why ask me? Obviously you know. Well, yeah, here you go, guys. It's like this thing kind of thing, and then I'm pretty sure you can shapeshift, right? No, you can't shapeshift. That's a good thing. I hate shapeshifters. Okay, so there you go. There you go. Okay. Wow, it's really nice. It's by Moyu. Okay. And it's pink! There you go. You can see a little red to that. Okay, Aoshi. Felix. Oh, what does this say? It's so big, bro. I gotta solve it. Cannot resist. How do I open this shit? Ooh, Jesus Christ. Okay, great. Boing, boing, boing. There you go. Oh, it's terribly looby. Hold on, let me go get some tissue paper. I needed some tissue paper because it was extremely looby, I tell you guys. Oh my god, it's so looby. I have to stick so many tissue papers. Okay. Oh, paper mess. Oh my god. Why is the 6 so bad? Look. Like, I actually have to loosen it. Like, oh my god. Oh, I will not be speed solving this. I will be slowly solving this. Let's get... This is really disappointing. It's so slow. Okay. The inner layers are fast, but the two outer layers are not good at all. I'm really disappointed. Okay, now for the output. Let's get a quicker 7x7. A quicker 7x7 would be best. Yes, of course. I got the pillow version. Okay, so here you go. It really moves. From the outside, I can tell it's really bad. Okay, got it. Please don't let me be okay. It's really looby again, and again. Okay. Huh, it kind of moves okay. Not that bad. Wow, the pillow version seems... Yeah, I think I'm pretty sure why it is so slow to me. Cause my hand can't fit. Look. It's really small. Okay, I'm not disappointed with the palette one. Oh, it's actually moving smoothly. I just need a thing which moves like so smooth now. There you go, guys. So here's the unboxing. Let me see how bad the 6x6 is. Like, oh. I'm like afraid of lockups though. Let me try to get a lockup. No, you're not. This way. Wow, the tensions are really tight. Oof. Really disappointed. Okay, so I do up and down, right? Okay, so that's the unboxing. I'm really pleased with the 7x7 pillow and this one. So, but the 6x6 one, let me try to do something. Yeah, there you go. So, there you go, guys. This is the unboxing of all of them. And yeah, it's a tissue paper mess here, so yeah. Have a nice day, guys. Don't forget to like, favorite, comment down below, anything, and subscribe. I'm really proud of the 2, but the 6x6, it's really slow. So, peace out, guys. Let's go 100 subs by the end of the year.